Welcome to another box break by TradingCardsNow.com. Today we're doing a 2007 Leaf Certified Materials. We have 10 packs per box, and we're looking for 4 hits. This is a box I split with one of our members, Ambrosa, and we will... I believe I'm getting the odd packs. He will be getting the even packs. And also I will be getting the first and third hit. He will be getting the second and fourth hit. There we go. Start with Dante Stallworth. Look like back. Oh, and the first hit, Vernius Coles, numbered out of 125 for you Jets fans. That'll be up on my trade page. Eddie Kinnison. Sneezed by my helper. Got T.O. A new generation card. Let's look at the rookie cards. Numbered out of 1500. This one is Thomas Clayton, 49ers. Pack number 3. Bolts, Betts, filler card, Roethlisberger, Lewis Andre Johnson. If anybody's looking to fill this set, come hit my trade page. Usually give away base cards pretty cheap. Looks like we got hit number 2. Is a Tony Gonzalez game used, numbered 17 of 25. Be going to Ambro right there. Brian Westbrook. Anquan Bolden, Jason Campbell, filler, Vince Young, Dallas Clark, Antonio Gates. Looks like we got an insert. Another 49er. Vernon Davis, numbered out of 500. It's a certified potential card. Roy Williams and a Reggie Bush. Dante Culpepper, Dolphins uniform. Oh, hit number 3. This one will be going to me. Freshman fabric, Kevin Kolb, Eagles. Eagle fans. Cutler, Kellen Winslow. Oh, looks like Ambrose got a rookie new generation Colby Smith, numbered 50 out of 100. Cedric Benson, Ronnie Brown, Larry Fitzgerald. Quentin Portis, J.P. Lossman. Oh, Adrian Peterson, fabric of the game, numbered 17 out of 25. Kid is having an awesome year. Phillip Rivers, Javon Walker, Amon Green. Donald Driver. Got a Tom Brady insert, certified skills, numbered out of 1,000. Patrick Jacobs, Vernon Davis. Well, that was the box. I want to take another look at this Adrian Peterson card. Right there. I believe that card's going to be going to Ambro. So hit our site if you want to work a trade with him. Also be doing some more split boxes with some members, so if you're interested, come hit our message boards, let me know. TradeCardsNow.com. Thank you.